How to use airplane mode on Monopoly Go iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use airplane mode on Monopoly Go iPhone. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Monopoly Go app and log into your account. Over here, locate your token's position on the board and remember it. After that, adjust the multiplier for your roll to the desired amount. Then drag down the control center on your iPhone and enable airplane mode. Next, go back to Monopoly Go and start rolling. Over here, record the results of each roll. If you see a roll you don't like, you can keep rolling until the no internet connection message appears. Then exit Monopoly Go, press and hold the app icon and tap the eye icon. After that, select clear data and confirm. Finally, turn off airplane mode, reopen Monopoly Go, and log in again. Use the recorded rolls to your advantage as you continue playing. So that's how you can use airplane mode on Monopoly Go iPhone. That's all for this video.